asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's hard.
What to do, YouTube? It's another day, man. Shoot. So I went and got the seats. Y'all see? Got the seats. Yeah, we rocking leather, y'all. We're gonna rock leather. You know, they just need a little bit, a little cleaning up, of course. But yeah, man, shoot, these are the ones that's finna go in. Now, shit, the seatbelt situation, shit, I should have got the damn things. What's the name? Should have got those seatbelts too. But sorry, I'll go back and get them. Shit, it's hot. It's hot as hell, y'all. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead, cut this. You know what I'm saying? For right here, for right now. I ain't finna do no work to this car right now, man. It's hot as hell outside. It's like 95, 96 or something like that. I know it's in the upper 90s. It's hot as hell. Yeah, y'all. What y'all think? Yeah, leave in the comment section what y'all think about the seats. Shoot. So, yeah, that's gonna be the end of this vid, y'all. Appreciate the support from everybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, share, subscribe. I try to get more content out to y'all guys, but life, always plays a part. So, I ain't making no excuses, but it is what it is. So, till the next time, y'all, I'll catch you. Alright, YouTube, what's going on with it? It's your boy, Mr. Hustle Hard, back up in it. And right now, I'm just mocking up these seats. See, I got the back seat in there. I got it in kind of quite how I want it, but I needed to scoot back a little bit further. Let me show y'all. So what I did, I drew this out right here because that's basically what's keeping it. And I should be able to push it back a little bit further. Yeah, I should be able to push it back a little further. But yeah, let me go ahead and get that notched out. Oh yeah, before I even do that, let me explain this. Okay, so I got this front seat mocked up. Let me pull it back. I got this front seat kind of mocked up somewhat. Yeah, my brackets that I originally had for the other seats, I gotta redo them now. So I just got that sitting right there for right now. That's an old one. I'm gonna cut that out and get busy, y'all. Shoot. And you know how these seats got the little front hooks in the front. I'm gonna cut them off. That way I can use that bolt hole, and the seat will be level. I can level it from there. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get the shaking on this. Cut that little piece out back there. Cut them little feet. Cut them little hooks off the front. And I'll tune y'all back in. All right. All right, YouTube. Got them mocked in. I don't have them bolted down all the way yet, but got them in for the most part. I'm still working on the front seat. But actually, I'm finna kind of start on that now. I got that mocked up. I'm gonna leave it as is, and then yeah, just keep on working it. So yeah, I'm getting along, y'all, moving along. Had to cut, some of the bottom off. All that foam right there just sort of sit down a little, At first it was sticking up, so now it's sitting down flat, well, flat as it should be, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep on with the keep on, and I'll turn y'all back on. All right, YouTube, got the passenger side seat mounted down. I just got it temporarily wired up on this little battery pack. But yeah, that's how I got the seats to move at the junkyard. I couldn't find my battery pack, so all I did was just use this battery off my drill. Just tied into the 2 positives. They gave me 12 volts, 1 ground, boom. But yeah, still got to finish tying in the back seat. But I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the driver's side now. Now what I've done to get this seat to go in right, I had to move my brackets. This is one right here that I made a long time ago. Here's another one. This one right here it's real small. I mean, you might not even be able to see it. And then on the other side, I just welded a bolt to the ground. I mean, to the floor pad. And shoot, there she go, y'all. So, go ahead and repeat this process on the other side. I got the driver's seat installed. Now I just gotta pull it back out and take the cover up. Put the carpet back down. But shit, y'all, I'm running out of daylight. I know it don't look like, but yeah, I'm running out of daylight. She was like 8 something. But yeah, y'all, shoot, just about there. I mean, shoot, for the most part, I may just have to finish this video tomorrow. I may have to finish this video tomorrow. So, YouTube, what's going on with it? Performance plus hard. And I'm just showing y'all the results from last night. Yeah, I got the front seats installed. All I gotta do is hook up the power wires and finish mounting down the back seats. But for the most part, y'all, shoot, it went all right. I mean, yeah, it took me a while because I had to do all that fabrication, but it went on. You know, it did the do. So without further ado, here you go. Don't mind this bag, right? Oh. But yeah, y'all, I got them bolted down. They snug, secure, all that good stuff. Yeah, so now just gotta play with this back seat now. You know, like I said, there's some mounting holes already at the top once you let the bags down, and I gotta put a couple of spacers back there. Let me see if I can get in here and show y'all. Alright. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Yeah, like I said, it's not bolted in, but these 2 holes right here, that's what I'm gonna use to mount it onto this part right here. Put a couple of spacers in there, you know, so it stays straight. And yeah, then secure it down at the bottom. This piece. Ah, damn it! This snapped back in. Hold it. I think it did. But yeah, move that piece. I'll make something to secure it at the bottom half as well. And then after that, y'all, I should be through this. Back seats will be done. I'm gonna go back to the junkyard and get the seat belts that goes with these. Because as you can see, seat belts all treated up. I don't even know how the seat belts got like this, to be honest. But I'm gonna change them out, get the black ones. Then at the same time, I'll be able to use this one. This buckle. Right now, I got that one hooked back up, the old one, just so I can have my seatbelt. So yeah, YouTube. That's that, man. Shoot. Yeah. So once I get through with this, clean them up. Yeah, that'll be a wrap. But let me go ahead and get. Oh yeah, no, I was gonna wire this up. I think I said that earlier, but yeah, I'm gonna wire these in. I'm gonna wire these in first. That way I can move them. Then I'll worry about the back seat. But all right, y'all. I'm gonna get my situated with these wires and stuff. Then I'll show you what I done. All right, YouTube. I'm at the finishing point now. So I told y'all I was gonna show y'all what I did with the wiring. This is basically what I did. I just tapped the ground. I mean, I know y'all see it like this right now. That's because the seats are all the way forward. But once they back, y'all won't. Nobody would see them, except for this. I left this part over on purpose. But the main power wire, I did run it up under the carpet, to the fuse box. So, I mean, this part right here, I plan on getting a console, but I'm not worried about it right now. So this is not no deal breaker to me. All right, y'all. As y'all see, I got the back seat mounted because I'm sitting back here. Yeah, we good over here. That's good over. The let down still work for both sides. Snaps back on. Shoot, so only thing I have to do now, but of course I gotta get the seat belts, and I also gotta make some kind of way of mounting the seat down permanent, from the bottom half of it. So I think I might have to get some angle iron because it has this look. Damn, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. That that thing right there. I gotta make it hook. I gotta find some kind of way to secure it. Damn, really? But anyway, I gotta find some kind of way to secure that down to the floor. And I have an idea of how I'm gonna do it. But that's gonna be at another time. So I need to go ahead and end this video. But yeah, y'all, shoot. Oh, now the seats, they do have power. You know what I'm saying? And they just slow. That's the only thing I've noticed about them. They are slow. Oh, that's just the tilt stuff, but yeah, it do work, and the other side works as well. So, yeah, y'all, that's my seat adventure, I didn't even get some damn condition. This motherfucker on this motorcycle. Man, that thing just loud for nothing. But, yeah, y'all. What was I saying? Oh, leather conditioner. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get some leather conditioner. You know what I'm saying? Condition these seats on up. You know what I'm saying? I mean, because for these to be junkyard seats, bro, I mean, they're not cracked up, they're not hurt at all. So, just keep the maintenance up on it. Damn. Man, that looks good back there. Those seats look good. Oh, yeah, but, anyways, we appreciate y'all for tuning in. All that good stuff. Supporting your boy. And like, share, subscribe. All that good stuff. Whatever. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here, man. Yeah.